Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, after the collapse of the Silicon Valley Bank and CPI, we can see that market is trying to settle. Okay. Right now, market is waiting for the next FOMC meeting so that it can understand what is the decision of the Feds regarding the interest rate. Okay, so mostly we will be waiting for the Fed's meeting that is about to happen on 22nd of March. So many days left, couple of days left. So till then we may not see some crazy moves in the market or a complete trend reversal or a clear trend continuation. So till FOMC, hopefully market will be respecting the levels that are in the chart right now. So first of all, let's look at the news first. So here you can see dollar finds footing as banking crisis fears calm down. The dollar found support in Asia on Wednesday as investors dialed back expectations of US rate cuts as fear of a banking crisis ebbed and another stubbornly high inflation print landed. And if you look at the chart of DXY, you can see that the present trend of DXY is bearish. Sellers are dominating, there is no doubt. But still market is somewhere trying to take support. Market is trying to form a temporary support around 103.40. So my dear friends, this is the temporary support. The structure of DXY is still not positive. So swing traders, positional traders, you still need to be very careful. The market has not settled for you yet. Day traders, you can plan your trades accordingly, but swing traders, okay, be careful. Okay, the market is not ready for you till yet. Okay, so in case during the day, okay, my dear friends, as I just said, the market structure is still bearish. So in case during the day, if you see market breaking this support, okay, then obviously market will be going down, and the next immediate support on DXY is around 102.60 to 102.50. This is the only immediate or reliable support on the chart of DXY. And if market continues the present structure, then there's a high chance that market or DXY will be breaking the temporary support and heading towards the next immediate support of 102.60 to 102.50. So this is all about DXY. And my dear friends, Forex Factory. Yes, you can use any economic calendar. Okay, the reason behind opening the Forex Factory is that today we have PPI, core retail sales. So again, you need to be careful. There may be some crazy volatility for one or two candles, so be careful. As I always say, beginners, new traders, traders with low capital, try to avoid taking any position during the news, because see, market gives us plenty of opportunities to take position. So you don't need to gamble with your hard-earned money when the news comes out. So be careful. Okay, you can observe the market, open the chart, just see how the market is doing so that you can gain some experience. But taking a fresh position, especially during news, requires experience and also very risky. Okay, so now let's have a look at the chart of Euro USD. So first of all, I would like to mention that we have an ascending triangle pattern on the chart of Euro USD. On the chart of gold, I showed that we have a bullish flag, and here we have an ascending triangle pattern. So if you are on a sell position right now, then you need to be very careful, because market is bullish. This market sentiment looks very bullish. So if you're already holding any position, you can be on the trade. But if you're looking for fresh position, then wait for some time. Okay, wait for some time, especially till the European session. Okay, if you see market going up from here, then you can take a buy position. I'm not giving you any exact number here, because you can see that this is a resistance zone in the market, and right now market is trying to consolidate. So the best scenario would be if DXY, okay, if DXY breaks the support and starts falling. Listen to me carefully. If DXY breaks the support and starts falling, then obviously you will see a good upside on euro dollar, and you can take a buy position immediately. And if you're wondering about the resistance, then we do not have any proper immediate resistance. The next big resistance on the chart of Euro USD is only around 1.0781 to 1.0804. This is the only immediate resistance on the chart of Euro USD where we may see some selling pressure. If not trend reversal, at least we can expect that market will show some price rejection from above. Okay, the reason behind considering this level is the previous price rejection around this area. You can see whenever market went up twice actually, okay, market faced selling pressure around this area. Secondly, the same level also acted as support. Okay, and thirdly, we have Fibonacci 50% retracement around this area. So if we combine all the factors, means Fibonacci 50% retracement, previous support to act as resistance, and then previous price rejection. So if you combine all the three factors, then this looks like a valid resistance zone. If market reverses from there, we can go for a sell position. But right now market is standing at a resistance, and we also have a clear ascending triangle pattern. So just wait for the market to go up. If market goes up, you can go for a buy position. As I just mentioned, that if dollar breaks the support and starts falling, that will be the best scenario to take a buy position on the chart of Euro USD for additional confirmation. Okay, one more thing I would like to add here, that is in case during the day, listen to me carefully, in case during the day if you see market coming down, okay, then there is a minor support. Okay, there is a minor support around 1.0733. Around this level there may be a little bit of a support. You may see some price rejection from below. Okay, if you see market taking support around this area, okay, market may bounce. Okay, not a big bounce, at least you can expect a profit of 15-20 pips. This is a position for day traders only, and this is not a very strong level. Okay, so to be honest, I have just set an alert on this level. Okay, so I'll be looking for some buy position, so I thought that I should also mention. So this may be a level where we can expect a temporary bounce. But my dear friend, in case DXY shows a good recovery, then obviously Euro USD will break this level. So please be careful, because no level is permanent in the market. A trader only trades when the opportunity is right. You cannot trade on each and every level. You need to observe the market first and then get the confirmation. As I always say, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. So this is all about Euro USD, my dear friends, and today is the last day. Okay, from tomorrow onwards the workshop will start, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. So if you really want to learn about the forex trading, if you really like my work, then you can consider joining the 3 days workshop. And the best part is that after the workshop, you will also receive support for 1 month. So you can see here, these are the benefits you'll be receiving after the workshop for 1 month. So Pro Trader program is just a part of the workshop. Feel free to join the Pro Trader program so that you can avail the workshop. You can also see that I have also made a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. Workshop दोनों लैंग्वेज में होता है, हिंदी और इंग्लिश, ठीक है. And here is my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And the best part is the fees. The fees is only $15. Only $15 for 3 days workshop and 1 month support. So the dates are 16th, 17th and 18th of March. The timing is mentioned here. Dates are mentioned here. In case you are unable to attend, don't need to worry, because traders from all around the world sign up for the workshop, and due to time difference, okay, they cannot attend. So I record each and every session. So it's a win-win situation. So this is it. Bye bye, take care.